Today we're making the best slow cooker beef stew recipe. Hearty, rich, and so tender it basically melts in your mouth. This is the kind of recipe that makes the whole house smell like comfort while it cooks, and it's the perfect dinner for when you just want a big bowl of cozy. Let's start with the beef. I've got 2.5 pounds of stew meat, patted dry, seasoned with salt, pepper, and a dusting of flour. Toss it around until each piece is lightly coated. Now, set your slow cooker to saute mode. Heat a little olive oil and brown the beef. Don't crowd it and don't rush it. Browning takes a little patience, but that's where you build that rich flavor. Once it's golden on all sides, pull the beef out and set it aside. In the same pot, toss in diced onion and garlic. Let that cook until fragrant. Stir in tomato paste for 1 minute, then deglaze with a splash of red wine, scraping up all those browned bits from the bottom. That's the flavor jackpot. Time to load up the stew. Add the beef back in along with carrots, potatoes, celery, Worcestershire sauce, beef broth, thyme, rosemary, and bay leaves. Give it all a good stir. And right before closing the lid, here's my move. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of adobo seasoning and 1 packet of sazon. That's going to deepen the flavor and give the stew beautiful color. Now cover it up and let the slow cooker work its magic. Set it on low for 8 to 9 hours or high for 4 to 5. Either way, you'll end up with beef that falls apart with just a fork. About 20 minutes before serving, stir in frozen peas. If you want it a little thicker, mix cornstarch with cold water and stir it in now. Don't forget to fish out the bay leaves before serving. And then the best part, serve it up. Ladle that stew into bowls, sprinkle with fresh parsley. Serve it with rice or grab some crusty bread to soak up that rich, savory broth. Mini soul snack for today. Patience is powerful. Just like this stew, some things get better the longer you let them simmer. That's my ultimate slow cooker beef stew. Cozy, hearty, and loaded with flavor. For the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button. There's plenty more deliciousness coming your way.